So I now have this thing that's been sitting in acetone for quite some time. Don't want to get my fingers all up in the acetone, but I noticed that last time I pulled this out, that there was a significant amount of sediment in some of these ports still. So I was using a paintbrush, an artist child paintbrush to get the stuff out, and they look a lot cleaner now. But I would actually blow into these ports, so it almost looks a little dirty, and some of them were easier to blow through than others. So that's an example of one that is really hard to blow through. And that one was a little easier. I don't know, those are hard to tell because they're around this port right here. That one's really hard to blow through. So I can't tell, but I wonder if there's a way that I could just thread a needle through there or a piece of wire. I don't know, but I guess first I really just want to get these things out. Now, other dude on the video seemed like, oh, just grab them, and they just came right out. Let's see, do any of them come out for me? These are the spring seats that I'm after. And I don't know, maybe they don't even... I think a guy had the exact same fuel distributor, and these were just coming right out. And every time I have pulled another piece out of this distributor, I've found a big pile of gunk underneath everything. So if I can pull these out, then I think that would be a good thing. I don't know, there's like a little jet looking thing on the outside there, and I don't know if those are actually maybe adjustments, fine-tune adjustments for the height of the spring, whether it's just a screw or what, but it seems to me like that probably would be all that is back in there. Listen, you can even see a little bit of varnish on both sides here. You can even scratch it off with the tweezers. But these junk tweezers aren't doing it. I don't think these are going to be any better, because that thing just doesn't want to move at all. And I'm worried I'm going to damage something in there. And that's the worry, is, am I going to damage something? Am I better off just leaving it be, putting it back together? But again, every time I pulled stuff out of here, I've gotten a lot more junk to come out with it. I'm very tempted to try stuffing a piece of speaker wire, just like, a single thread speaker wire into one of these little holes, this copper wire right here. What could that possibly hurt, right? See if I can see it coming out the top. Can't really see much of anything in there. I need to get a longer piece of this wire. Time for a new video.